Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys an amazing homemade face mask using only three ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen. And let me tell you, this mask is such a savior. It does everything from detanning, brightening to glowing skin. You can get all these benefits in just this mask. Whenever I am at home and I have time, I make this mask and use it on my face. Like, tons of people ask me, what is the secret behind your glowing and clear skin? This is the secret. This is the mask I swear by. I have been using it since the past 3 years and it works wonders for my skin. It's so easy to make. The three ingredients are gram flour, lemon and curd or yogurt as you call it. That's it. You require only these three ingredients. One disclaimer I want to put here is, please do a patch test before applying this face mask because it has ingredients like gram flour and lemon. It does not suit everybody. Gram flour and lemon. There has been a lot of thesis about whether lemon should be used on your face or not. But for me, it works and I use it and I do not have any issues. So don't come at me saying lemon is bad for skin or blah blah. Because I've been using it since the past 3 years and I know it works beautifully for my skin. So that depends on your skin type. That is why I am telling you, if you want to find out if it works for you or not before using this, please do a patch test and then only apply it on your face or body, because gram flour and lemon doesn't suit everybody. I use this face mask for detanning my skin and for brightening my skin. It also provides a subtle glow on my face, which I love. I would recommend to apply this at night or on the days when you are at home for the whole day, because it has lemon and you do not want to apply lemon on your face and then go out in the sun. It's not good for the skin. What I prefer is I apply it at night and then my skin has the whole night to recover. When I apply it in a thin layer. I let it dry, and when it dries, I do not wash it off completely. I rub it in a circular motion or upward motion, which helps in removing my baby hair as well. So one more benefit. I'm telling you, this mask is amazing. If you cannot bear pain, like, it obviously hurts a bit when the baby hair comes out. So if you do not want to bear the pain, then just wash it off. What I do is, after it dries out completely, I rub it in upward motion. After removing the mask, I wash my face with cold water and then I apply my night cream or any moisturizer that I use and I go off to bed. And the next morning I wake up with glowing and baby soft skin. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from this channel.